G'day guys, I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Rowan Smith and welcome to this week's video. Today we are talking about 7 top paying income sources for 2020. I know we all are here looking for an extra bang in the buck. I know we all are here to get an extra buck. So stay tuned for this video. This is in no particular order, but I did leave some of the juicier ones for last. Don't skip through the video, I'm watching you. So the first one on the list is Airbnb, and I know you guys have probably heard about this. If you don't know what Airbnb is, it's basically the alternative to hotels. So basically you book a accommodation or a room or even a couch, and it is usually a lot cheaper than hotels. So that's why a lot of people make use of Airbnb. So if you have a room in your house or you have a separate flat in your yard or something that you are able to rent out, this is a fantastic option. And even if you don't have those options and you have a couch, you can become a super host that way as well. Let people sleep on your couches. There's a lot of people that want to pay a big amount of money just to sleep in a location for a night or two, so they are willing to sleep on a couch. So if you can offer them even a couch, a lot of people will make use of that option because it will obviously be a lot cheaper for them, and you'll still get something out of it. You're going to be meeting a lot of people and you're going to be making quite a bit of extra money. So it's definitely worth checking out, airbnb.com. Okay, so the next way is actually one of my more favorite ways, and a way that I've been using a while to make a bit of money, and it is selling physical products or even services. So I'm going to mention 2 business ideas which you guys can try in 2020, and the first one is basically selling merch through a platform called Teespring. It's a turnkey solution which you can use. You create a website for free, you sell for free. You can't buy it for free, but you can sell at least for free. So it's really nice. You can create a basic t-shirt design. You guys can check out some of the designs I have. If you want to support me, check out the link in my description. It'll take you to my Teespring store, which you can check out some of the designs. Like you guys will see the wallpapers on my desktop. That's a basic design I've put on a hoodie, and you can buy that and you can sell it even, So if you have a basic idea for a design, you can list it on Teespring and you can put it on hoodies, t-shirts, mugs, caps. Well, not anything, but most basic products. And there's a lot of guys actually really crushing in this game. A lot of YouTubers, as you guys know, selling merch and stuff.
Shop. Get it at loganpaul.com/shop. And loganpaul.com/shop. loganpaul.com/shop.
They do use Teespring. It's a very popular turnkey solution. It just makes life so easy. You don't need to worry about creating the website. You basically just need to create the design and advertise it. And a lot of times they actually advertise it for you as well. They actually advertise your product on Amazon, Wish, a lot of different popular e-commerce sites. So it's definitely worth checking out. There's a lot of guys making big bucks selling apparel. So the second business concept I want to talk about is buying products in bulk for super cheap and then just selling them again. So for this to work, you need a really affordable, high quality product which you can get from a Chinese supplier. I'll put the link in the description. It's called Alibaba.com. It's a Chinese wholesaling website. You can get almost any product for a really good price. So I would recommend starting off with something with a small investment, something like a wristband or earrings or something, just a basic, small, light product. Then you go on that website, you search for the product, you choose one that you think is going to sell. You contact the supplier, you negotiate a price with him. Let's be honest, anything can be negotiated and everyone wants to get the best cut. So as long as you negotiate, you're going to be getting a good deal. Then you ship yourself these products in bulk. I would recommend starting out with about 100 units or so. Then comes the selling. There's a lot of ways to sell products, but I recommend going out to your local flea market and selling them there to your local people. And then after you get a bit of capital, you can maybe start and create a website and do a bit of marketing, create a sustainable business out of that. If you're not in this for the long run, you just want to make a quick bit of buck, you can sell it on the Facebook marketplace or even eBay or Gumtree or Craigslist. There's a lot of different platforms online which you can sell some products. So there you go, 2 really good business concepts right there. Selling products is definitely part of our everyday life. So if you can be one of the people on the other side selling the products, you're going to be making a good cut. If I told you that there was an 8-year-old kid that made over $28 million on YouTube in 2019, would you believe me? It's absolutely crazy, guys, but becoming a content creator has become more profitable than ever before. And all you need is basic equipment such as a camera, a tripod, a microphone, and that's about it. You don't need the fancy drones, you don't need the gimbals or anything of that. Obviously, it is nice to have those things, and it's nice to be able to upgrade to those things as you get money, but I wouldn't recommend putting all your money into just buying a bunch of equipment and then you end up just using your camera and microphone. Right now I'm actually just using the camera, I'm using a tripod, I'm using a small microphone, I'm not even using this one. It's just for show. So I'm using a small lavalier microphone. I'll put the links to all the products I'm using in my description. Go check them out. It's basic starter kit. Go pick yourself one up from Amazon and you can start creating content immediately. As for the platforms to publish your content, there's so many different platforms out there. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. There's just so many, it's endless, guys. For example, this YouTube video, I'm hoping to get paid. I'm not sure how much I'm going to be making. It obviously depends on the amount of views, the duration that you guys view the video. And the nice thing is YouTube is quite passive. I mean, I'm making this video now, I'm putting in the work now, but in 2 years time, this video is still going to be getting viewed and I'm still going to be making money from this video every single month. So that's a really nice thing. As for Instagram, you do promotional posts. Same with the TikTok. Facebook, you can also monetize the platform. So you don't even need to go out and get people to invest in your videos. YouTube does that for you through the AdSense program. So you create the video and YouTube puts ads from the advertiser on your video and you get a small percentage of what that advertiser pays YouTube. So coming in at number 4 of the 7 top paying income sources for 2020 is affiliate marketing, and it goes hand in hand with the content creators. So what affiliate marketing is basically you marketing a company's products and then getting a small commission of the sales that you get. So I really recommend the Amazon affiliate program. You'll see in the link in my description, I put the links to my Amazon affiliate links for example, the camera and the tripod and stuff that I've mentioned. So if you guys purchase that, I do get a small percentage of that. And that's a really nice thing about the content creators. If you, for example, want to promote a beauty product or you want to promote any product at all, you go onto Amazon, you get the product there, you sign up for the affiliate program, you get your affiliate link, and when people click on that link and they make a purchase in Amazon, that's when you get your commission. I want you guys to go out in 2020 and create another source of income for yourself, and it is basically selling your skill for money. So there's a lot of websites out there that enables you to sell your skills, but I recommend going to fiverr.com. I'll put the link in my description, you can check it out as well. What it basically does, it enables freelancers, people who are good at a skill or have a talent. For example, I'm creating this video right now. I can go to fiverr.com and I can put a listing on there and say that I will create a video for a company for X amount of money, and they pay me, and Fiverr gets a small percentage of that because Fiverr brings in a lot of the traffic. So that is another fantastic source of income. So if you're good at actually anything, even drawing or doing copywriting or writing letters or creating small videos or doing logo designs or graphic designing work, anything at all, if you have a skill at something you can think of, go to Fiverr, search it up, make sure there's a little bit of a market for that, sign up, create a listing, and you're going to be getting quite a bit of sales. I've been doing this since 2016 and I've made quite a few $1,000s on Fiverr. It's definitely worth checking out. If you like passive sources of income, this next one is for you. So we all know about the concept of renting out a property, and that you can make quite a bit of money. But we don't know that you can rent out a property even if you don't own a property. So the concept is very basic. You get a well-priced property that's for rent, you speak to the seller, you tell him that you want to rent out his property to other people for a little bit of a commission, basically becoming an agent, if I can put it like that. But you don't work for a company, you work for yourself. So you negotiate with the seller. Let's say, for example, you see this property up for $200 a month, but realistically you see you can probably rent it out for about $250 a month. Then you tell the seller that you're going to rent out his property at $250 a month. Obviously he has to agree. Then you put in tenants for $250 a month. You pay the seller his $200 a month and you get your 50% commission on the property that you don't even own. I mean, that is fantastic. And let's say, for example, you do 10 or 15 properties like that a month, you're going to be making quite a bit of extra money, and it is definitely a viable business, especially if you do it for yourself. You don't need to pay anyone except the seller, which is absolutely fantastic. So that brings us to our final source of income, and it is as easy as selling a book. Guys, it's never been easier to become an author than in 2019, 2020. This century, it is so easy. And if you are lazy like me and you don't like writing, you can even get someone to write it for you. Or you can go onto fiverr.com, you can search ghostwriting and pay someone to write the book for you. Then you simply take the book or the ebook, you publish it on Amazon, and there's millions of people waiting for new products. So as long as the book is relevant, it has high quality content inside, it's funny or it's entertaining or very educational, you are going to be making a few extra dollars every single month. And talking about books, if you haven't read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The link in the description. It is going to teach you about financial freedom. It is actually the best-selling financial book currently, and it has been for a long time. It is a fantastic book. I think it's listed for like $5 or something on Amazon. Absolutely worth every single penny. If you haven't read the book, check it out. Rich Dad Poor Dad in the description. And that brings it to the close of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video with a bit of information, just some sources of income that I've shared with you guys. I hope that has been helpful. If it has, please hit the like button and subscribe for more of these type of videos. I'm going to be doing a few more of these in the future, so stay tuned. Check out my social media. Make sure to check out my merch underneath below. Check the camera equipment if you want to become a content creator, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.